Hi guys, very warm welcome to the platform of Lawsikho. Am I audible to you guys? Hi guys, sorry for the interruption, but am I audible to you guys all? Just let me know so we can start the session. We are looking for the experience about the paper, how the paper was, what was about the paper. So you guys have enough time to relax everything. So we are waiting for a few more minutes so other aspirants might also join and then we will be starting the session. But till the students are joining, let me know about all the experiences, about the question paper and everything, guys. How was the paper? Anything which you want to share with us? Any question, any query regarding the paper? I can see few students have joined. Rest, please join as soon as possible so we can start the session. A brief analysis about the prelims paper. How was the paper? The dominance of the subjects, what changes we have seen from past year paper to the current paper, whether the pattern has been changed. We will be discussing all these things in this analysis session. So, making the session interactive, let me know about the experience which you guys have faced during the exam. How was the paper? Anything about the paper, or if you have checked the answer key, we will be releasing the answer key as well. I will be dropping down the link of the answer key in the comment section, and we will be sharing the answer key in the WhatsApp group as well. So those who have taken Karnataka Judiciary Test Prep series of Lawsikho, they will be getting the access through WhatsApp group, and those who are new to the channel, they will be getting the access provided in the link in the comment section. So we will be discussing about all these things. Just let us know about the paper. How was your experience? Anything which you want to share about the paper, any query, anything which you want to share. I'm looking just for a few more minutes so that other students also join, and then we will be starting the session. A very brief session, not in the detail, not very detailed depth manner, but yes, we will be discussing all the important points which are helpful to analyze your performance in the present exam. We will be discussing the cutoff as well, like whether you are getting that amount of that number, then you can start preparation for the mains as well, because Karnataka has like good number of seats, and the exam was postponed, like the notification was out very earlier, but the exam has held day before yesterday. So we can see that student have might lose their confidence because of the delay of the exam, but yes, there is not a problem. If you are well versed with the Ware Act, if you have gone through our test series, if you have taken any test series, if you have gone through it wholeheartedly, definitely you are able to crack the prelims exam. So the basic information about the exam which we will be looking at. So the total number of questions are 100. There's no negative marking, so you can also do a wild guess. But Instead of doing wild guess in our sessions, which are given to the Lawsikho student, we tell them how to guess more intelligent and more wisely rather than doing any random guess. So level of the exam, expected cutoff, I have given you just a glimpse. We will be discussing about these both the things, level of the exam and the expected cutoff in detail. So till here, any one of you want to share something or want to say something, you the chat box is open for you guys. Let me know. Then if we are looking about the analysis of the paper, so as far as I have gone through the paper, in the GK portion, we have seen a very easy paper, I can say. We have asked about the Vice President of India, who is the Vice President of first Vice President of India. GK level was easy. And apart from GK, the questions which are from law subject are primarily direct, pair act, or section based. Only few questions talks about the knowledge based or something about, like they always check about the the nuance section, like what percent of the things will be increased or who is the appropriate authority for the something. So these questions are very catchy one if you are well versed with the title, with the words of a particular section, then definitely you will be able to answer the question. They have asked very direct questions as well. In constitution there are direct questions. In TPA this time that plays a very dominant role in this paper. Around 15 to 18 questions are from TPA. So that is an unexpected part. But yes, every time CPC, TPA, these two subjects play a dominant role in the Karnataka paper. Like CPC, we have on and around every year 20 questions every year on and around. On an average, there are 20 questions from CPC every time. In CPC and CRPC and all those questions, we have good amount of questions from that, but CPC is always in dominance. Then again and again I'm saying, because the paper is bare act based, so you can definitely, if you have a very good command over the bare act, the section numbers, the language of the section, then definitely you can easily answer the paper. Guys, I can see many of you have joined. If you have anything to say about the exam, if you want to share your experience, just let me know. Or whether you have checked the answer key, any answer key from any coaching industry, coaching center. We are also releasing the answer key today in the comment section. And for those students who have joined Karnataka test series, we will be providing the answer key in the Lawsikho test prep group, WhatsApp group. So any of you want to share anything about the exam, just let us know. Was syllabus was changed in the 2021 paper. Till 2021, family law was also there, but after that, family law has been removed. So now there are not that much subjects of the law which were asked in this paper. There are hardly 8 to 9 core subjects which were asked, and those are major subjects. Those are not small minor subjects, because minor subject plays a very major role in these exams. But when the major subject is in dominance in a particular exam, so you have a better hand over the exam, because you have gone through the major subject in your law school. You were taught the major subject very deeply in the coaching centers also, so you have very upper edge on the major subjects. Anything which you want to share about the exam? The analysis section of the past year paper comparison to this peer paper, we have seen the same pattern of the questions, the number of question from a particular subject. Like every year it is stagnant from particular, like TPA last year it was 15 to 16 questions, this year it was 18. CPC we have seen 18 questions this year, last year it was 20. So on an average, the dominance of the particular subject in this paper is on and off same. There is not too much variance in that, but the level of the questions are quite moderate, easy to moderate, not even above the moderate. So if you have anything to share about the question paper, about the pattern of the paper, about the difficulty level of the questions, just let us know in the comment section. Guys, please tell about your experiences, because your experience is very fruitful to make this session more impactful, because the session has to be two-way. What we get to know about the experience from our students, that the paper is quite easy to moderate, and the cutoff, we will be discussing the cutoff as well. Yes guys, I will be discussing the cutoff also. Guys, any one of you want to share anything about them? And if you are predicting anything about the cutoff, let us know, because see, cutoff depends on numbers of factors. There are n number of factors determining the cutoff: the number of seats, the number of applicants, how many students have appeared, many things. So last year it was different. This year we have 158 seats, so cutoff will be definitely high from last year. And what I was determining, it will be around 78 to 80, because paper was not that too tough. The general knowledge questions are also quite direct. So if everybody who is scoring more than 75, and if you're scoring above 85, then definitely you can start the preparation for mains exam. But if you are scoring between 75 to 85, then definitely you are somehow near the cutoff. I won't say that definitely you will be qualifying, but yes, you are somehow near the cutoff. So if any one of you share your like your correct answers, like how many scores you are getting, if you have gone through the paper, if you have checked the answers which you have marked, if you want to share, please share it with us. Guys, anything about the exam? Like those who are new to the channel, I will like to inform you that Lawsikho is also running a mains oriented test series for Karnataka exam. So if you are scoring near the cutoff section, you can definitely start the preparation for mains, because the exam is already very held very late. So mains might be scheduled very soon. So you won't might get that time to prepare. So as soon as you start the preparation, the upper edge you have for the exam. So Lawsikho is also providing a mains oriented test series, likewise the prelims one. So if you want to enroll in that, definitely you can reach out to us for the mains test series, and we will be happy to help you in all the possible manner. Guys, anything which you want to share with us? Any feedback about the exam? Any critical analysis which you have done, which you want to share? Okay, guys, then. Thank you so much for joining. Still, if you any one of you have any questions, any query, any feedback about the exam, you can write down your into the comment section. We will be definitely able to answer you and help you in all the possible manner. Okay, guys. Thank you so much.